Hi, my name is Mohammed Salman and I am CEO at Muddy Apps Incorporated. We get a lot of requests from people and they ask what exactly you do, how you make money through Android apps. So we decided to do a video to show you guys that how we make money through Android and through apps. First of all, let me tell you what is Android. Android is an operating system for mobile. Just the way you have Windows or Macintosh for your Mac or Windows for your laptop, Android is the same operating system for your mobile and tablets. Now, in computers or on your laptop, you access other things with the help of programs, whereas on mobile, you access things with the help of apps. You have seen a lot of apps already, and now you are wondering that how do you make money through apps? First of all, you make money through apps through in-app purchases. In-app purchases are the extra features within an app that you get when you buy them, and then some percentage of that money goes to Apple or Google or any other company who is running the operating system for the mobile, and the rest of the share goes to the developer who actually creates that app. Second way to make money through apps is through advertisement. There are a lot of ad networks who provide ads to actually display in your apps, and then you make money through them when people click on them or when people see them. So this is how you actually make money on these apps. Now in the next episode, we will show you exactly that how you create apps without a lot of technical knowledge or development knowledge, and then how you make money from them. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.